One of the questions I'm asked is, what documents will you give me? First of all, when you retain Bogoroch Associates, when you choose us, we'll give you this binder of confidential client information, which contains information about the firm, the lawyers working on your case, the timelines when the case will be completed, information about fees, and information about how damages are determined in a lawsuit. In addition, during the time that we have the honor of acting on your behalf, you'll be given copies of all important documents. Why do we do that? Because we believe every client has a right to know at every time, at any time, what's going on with his or her case. You'll be given copies of the statement of claim, the document that starts the lawsuit, copies of the statement of defense, copies of the mediation summaries, and copies of all important medical documentation. Why do we do that? Because you have a right to know what's going on with your case. Remember, it's your case. It's not our case, it's your case. While we have the honor of acting on your behalf, you have the right and entitlement to know what's going on. And for that reason, we have always given our clients important documentation. We want you to put that documentation in this binder. Keep it. Keep it as a ready resource. And when the case is finished, you'll have important medical documentation which you can provide to your physicians and any other healthcare providers. It's very important that you as the client know what's going on. And for that reason, forgive us, sometimes we may bombard you with documents, but we want you to know what's going on. You'll be given copies of everything. You'd be surprised. I've seen in my 25 years clients who've had lawyers for many, many years and then look to change lawyers, and they don't have a piece of paper. They don't even have a letter. We give you copies of important documentation. We give you copies of all the documents you need to understand your case. And every client has that right to obtain that. If the lawyer won't give that to you, the lawyer is not doing his or her job. You have the right to that information, and at Bogoroch Associates, you can be certain you'll be given that information.